Welcome to another episode of The Brand Called You, a video and podcast show that brings you leadership lessons, knowledge, experience, and wisdom from hundreds of successful individuals from around the world. Today, I have a very senior professional who's accomplished a lot in the pharmaceutical world, Dr. Tony S. Parmar. Tony, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Very good morning.
So my next question to you is that, the developed world is producing so much in terms of well-researched pharmaceutical products.
Right.
A country as big as ours, and a country which in terms of probably number of prescriptions sold is probably the largest in the world.
Right.
Why are we not spending more on research?
A very pertinent question, and I would especially like to elaborate on that. It's all a function of need versus compulsion.
Okay.
Now, like I just mentioned, in India, we were respecting the process patents, not the product patents. And end of the day, we are into commercial business, right? So we were able to, and as a country, we are a very intelligent and accomplished people, population, Indian population.
Right.
Our engineering is very good. Our re-engineering is good. Our chemistry is very good. So unlike most of the rest of the world, who are unable to even do this re-engineering or breakup and reassembling, in India, capabilities and competencies are very, very superior.
Okay.
And because there was no product patent, why do you need to spend on 10 years of research when you can re-engineer and get in your products within 1.5 to 2 years of the launch in the rest of the world?
Okay.
So there was no compulsion to do that, so we didn't do it. Post 2005, with a moratorium of another couple of years, today we are beginning to do that. And let me give you a straight example. COVID-19 vaccine. While we are hearing about only the multinational vaccines, you have two Indian companies, including my ex-company, which is almost aligned to those three vaccines, and hopefully those vaccines will be out in the first quarter of 2021.
Correct.
And these are indigenous researched vaccines. In 2009-10, when we had the swine flu, and in fact I was privileged to launch that brand inside this, we were the first company in Asia to launch a swine flu vaccine. And in the last decade, there have been 3 or 4 NCEs, new chemical entities or research products, which have come out in pharma in India.
Okay.
All because of the compulsion now, which was not a compulsion earlier. So capabilities are there. There was no compulsion. Now there is a compulsion.
Okay.
And we will have more products coming out of India.
Wonderful. Thank you for listening to The Brand Called You videocast and podcast, a platform that brings you knowledge, experience, and wisdom of hundreds of successful individuals from around the world.